we do, guys? Right, pattern detail number 3 for Hwa-Rang. Right. If you've watched the other 2 videos, you notice there are technical bits and difficult bits and awkward bits. Okay, so beginning of the pattern, this bit here. Okay. A bit awkward, a bit more challenging than what we've done before. If you watched the last video, detail number 2 for this, I moan a lot about this dragon pull bit, okay, because people get the footwork wrong on it. Okay, the next section we're going to cover is the bit that's basically in the middle of the pattern, and it's really easy. Considering this pattern is like 2 away from black belt, it does get quite simple in the middle. Okay, it should have quite a challenging section, but not really. Okay, stuff you already know. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll run through the bit we've covered, and then we'll do the middle section, and then I'll do it from a position where you can see it a little bit better. We'll go over one detail really, because it's quite simple. Okay, so do your marching beat. I'm going to walk through this, hit that block, punch, punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the front, down block, punch, drag it, step, into that back stance. 1 punch, 2 punch. Now I'm getting a bit close to the camera, so I'm going to shuffle back a bit. And the section we're doing today is hands up, long turn, double knife hand lock, spear, turn and guard, 1 round kick, 2 round kick. Real high grade stuff there. Not. Yeah, that section is really simple. Downside of it being very, very simple is that we are expected to look tip-top sharp. Okay? You know, when you hit the chung move, next pattern, obviously that's got some hideous sections in it if you're not used to them. Things like 45-degree round kick, pole block, full 360 turn knife block. That's a complex piece of footwork and it's different and it's awkward if you're not used to it. Especially if you're not quite a springy person. Okay? But a knife block, a spear and a couple of round kicks at this level, it really should be looking sharp. So make sure your technique is really, really good on that section. Okay, because the bit towards the back, that we'll do in a second, that is a bit more tricky, it's a bit awkward on stances. Okay, so when we get to this point, okay, we'll have done that drag side kick, chop, there's a couple of punches, okay, we want to make sure, as that rear foot, this is a left foot turn into a back stance, okay, which we've been doing through a lot of our patterns already, okay, your fold for that knife block is going to be prepped and ready, okay. Do not go round, 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 and then fold block. Okay, it's too late. Okay, get it ready early. Okay, so you go from your punch, folds hard into that knife block. Yeah, it follows into your stance. Okay. Once you've done that, the front hand drops, straight spear again, fingertips, throat height. Yeah, because it's open hand, you've got to think soft target. You're not jabbing them in the face or in the chest. You bust all your fingers. Okay, so from here. Straight spear. From there, this is the only strange piece of footwork I think in this pattern that's occasionally it catches people because they want to do like a big turn that they're used to in the style of pattern, and it's in this at the bottom of the eye, if you know what I mean. And it's not, it's just back foot turn. Okay, and you just take that spear, you just raise it up a bit, and then come into a pattern guard. Okay. Now, when we hit and we raise, we do want to close our hands. Okay? Try to avoid going here and then just whipping from the spear. It does look quite good, okay, but it's, from a technical aspect, it's incorrect. Okay? So I'd rather we went knife block into spear and then we raised with our hands closed. Back foot turn, okay, into that pattern guard. Okay? From there, it just goes back leg round kick 1, and your hands swap over. Okay, because you've obviously swapped legs, and then they swap back for that second round kick. Okay, that's what I'm after. Okay, so I'll just do that section very quickly. I'll warm my leg back up now. Okay, so you go from the punch, long turn, into that double knife, into that spear, into that pattern guard, 1 round kick, 2 round kick, and then fix. Fix your guard at the end of the second kick. Okay, don't go kick. We know we're going to do a down block to the back, so don't just go kick and block. Okay, hit that last kick, and then fix your guide, fix your pattern guide at the end of your kick before you think about refolding to do the next section. Okay, that's the detail for today for this one. Thank you very much. Keep practicing.